Okay, even if you can't see anything, listen to the hail. Garage. That's my garage. That's car. Bad things just happened to car. Let's open the garage and watch. I think it's slowing up. It goes kablam! Drops another big one. Imagine what the sound was like on my way home, pounding on my car roof. Oh, that's a big one. Oh crap, look at that. Oh, we're gonna get roof damage. Oh, crap. Oh. No. That's a little bit less than a baseball. Yep, a little bit more than a golf ball, but that's pretty freaking big. Oh no. No, this is not good. Okay, let's look out the other door. Come on, roofie. Come on, little roof. Be strong. Be strong. Oh, shit. Yeah, that was my stomach. Woo. Yeah, this is not a good view. I'm going to close the door. Woo. Yeah, that hit me in the stomach. Oh. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is so incredibly bad. Oh, no. Oh, there's another big one. Oh. Sorry if I'm jerking around, but every time one hits, it's like a rocket going off. I hope the kitties are somewhere safe. The outdoor kitties, I hope they're under the house. Oh. Okay. That's that. Bye.